Hi there. Today I want to show you how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API on Facebook developers. So let's get started. So in the first step, go to developers.facebook.com, then log in into your account or sign up for a new account. After you logged in into the website, click on the My Apps button on the nav bar. Once you open this page, click on Create App. Then choose Business and click on the next button. Now here you have to add your business name, contact email, and business account. And click on the Create App. Now in the open page, scroll down and choose WhatsApp and click on Setup and wait. After you see this page, click on Start using API. Now you need to set up your phone number. So scroll down and click on Add a phone number. First, add your WhatsApp business profile name and choose your business category and add your business description. Consider your business description should not be more than 512 characters. Click on the next button and now you have to enter and verify your phone number. Here is a very important tip. The number you use should not be used in other mobiles. So enter your phone number and verify it.